What's up, my good people? Welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I'm reviewing Varium. This is a different and new ICO. But before I continue, please do not forget, this is strictly my personal opinion. I'm doing this review and I'm going to say what I think about this ICO. Make your own decision and do your own due diligence. Thank you very much. Now let me go into this ICO. Now, you can find their social icon. You can get them on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on Telegram, on Reddit. And the good thing is they've reached their soft cap already. And you can even get a bonus for getting involved with the ICO. Now, let me check their white paper. And I can tell you this white paper is verified, is authentic. It's not a copy and paste white paper. Now, the total supply for this is 250 million VRX. That is the symbol. 250 million VRX. And the token name as Varium VRS, the price is 5 cents. The soft cap is $1 million US, and the hard cap is 5 million. As I've told you, the soft cap has been reached. So no matter what happens, this ICO will surely exist. They will work on the project since they've reached the $1 million. Now, let's scroll down more. Now, you may be wondering, what is Varium all about? Now, let me just play you a YouTube video that explains in details what this ICO is all about, what they hope to achieve. Stay tuned, please.
A very real universe with a fully decentralized VR architecture for your business and entertainment. Transform your experience. Shop at any time. Visit stores around the world. See a variety of products in detail. Find the right one. Want to get this outfit? Here you can try on the things you like and order them without even leaving your house. Dozens of brands are available. Feel the thrill of live casinos. Watch your opponents and place your bets with VRX tokens. Play, win, and earn either cryptocurrency or fiat money. Hold a business meeting in a VR office.
Now let me pause the video. I think with these you'll be able to see what Varium is all about. Let's scroll down. And I've explained in little to you about this, what is all about, and they will be selling more than 30 million out of the 250 million total supply. Is here also 20 token. That means that this token VRS is built on Ethereum blockchain, and this is the token distribution. And you can see the roadmap put together. Now let's go down more. There are lists on CoinGecko, on CoinNinja, Link, CoinEase, CryptoRated, ICO Bench. I'm going to show you about ICO Bench here. These are WordPress are saying about them. Just click on it on them and you see different articles about them. This is the team: Alexei Makiv, Matt Korma, Anastasia Myron. You can see Igor Razin, Sergey Semanovsky, Danya Koyanova. But most of the people here are more of Russians. Yeah, and you can get more of the team member here. Let me click on here. You see Gulnara Galeva, Dmitry Zaharov, Ekaterina Yakovlenkova, and the rest. Now, look at this Gunava Galeva. So, let's do this. Come in. Just give me a little time for it to load.
Hello guys, this is Cryptosiast. I brought here with me Gulnar. She's from Varium, very interesting project, directly here from Moscow, Russia. I interview her, she will tell us something about her project. She's the CMO of the project. So maybe just give us a quick overview. What is the project about? Of course it's about VR, but tell us more.
In fact, it's a project about virtual reality university, and we developed VR last 4 years. And
so that is okay. You can see for yourself now, member of the team member having an interview. Now, is this a scam? Nah, I don't think so. So he's real. He's the marketing director. So I believe this ICO is real. Having a video, it makes it real to me when an ICO, I can see the team member having an interview or showing to ourselves on video. So let's check them out on ICO bench. 4.1 for expert rating, 4.0 for IC profile, 5.4/5 vision product, 5/5. Yeah, you need a KYC. They are from Russia. Now you can go take your time to go through the ratings on ICO bench. This is them on Telegram. They have 8,707 members on their Telegram. So we check their LinkedIn and their Alesia ranking. Let's check the Alesia ranking. Now, more visitors from Belgium, then Israel and Russia, of course. They're from Russia. So you can see who is. This is it. Varium.io 2017 registered, 2018 is going to expire. This is the state, Kemerovskaya Oblast in Russia, where they are, and Russia. They are based in Russia Federation. So, ladies and gentlemen, what is my thought about this ICO? I strongly believe this is a good one. It's a good ICO. I'm really bullish about this ICO. I can see that the people behind it are real. They are not copy and paste pictures or whatever. These are real people behind this project. So I'm going on with this. I'm going to leave the link down below for you, and you can click on it and sign up for the ICO. Thank you very much for watching my reviews. It means a lot to me. Thank you very much. And please, before you go, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to bring more videos for you. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.